Okay, this is video number 5, and this is the very last video that I'm going to make regarding the large gauge loom knit sock. And there are other websites you can go to take a look at how to do the grafting and Kitchener stitch. But again, the grafting is just taking two ends and bringing them together to close them. That's grafting, and then the Kitchener stitch is when you do the front first stitch going down like a purl. Okay, oops, it'll be, yeah, going down like a purl. Your first stitch and bringing your yarn through, and then your next to the last stitch, which will be this one, and you're coming up with that one, and you bring the yarn up through, and then you would go to your second stitch, go down, so it's down in front, bring that through, and up and back, and that is that would be your second. Let's see, whoops, I'm going the wrong way. Your second to the last stitch, which is, there we go. I'm not used to doing things backwards. It's like looking at yourself in a mirror. All right, anyway, if you saw the video number 3, it shows better how to do the Kitchener stitch. Anyway, I've got my sock taken off the loom, and all you do is you look how much of that yarn I had left. I mean, I had quite a bit when I tightened up the toe. So all you'll do is you'll go down into the toe of the sock, pull it through. I'm not going to show you how to do that because you know how to do all this. Pull it through and do a couple stitches and then just cut it off on the inside. And what you end up with is a nice looking toe that's been done by grafting it and doing a Kitchener stitch. I'm trying to show all sides of it. And these are super, super thick. It's really nice yarn. That's why I don't like to waste it, because it's not exactly cheap. Anyway, I hope you've learned a little something about grafting and the Kitchener stitch and how to do a large gauge loom sock. I'm going to make some more of these. They're not going to be out of this type of yarn. They will be a bulky yarn, because the larger the gauge on your loom, the bulkier or the thicker or the chunkier you can use for your yarn. So just remember that. If you have a real fine gauge loom where you've got little tiny, your pegs are real close together, do not use thick yarns, because you will have massive headaches from it. So this is the way that you can use this nice thick chunky yarn, and this is, I think it's a Lion brand. Quick and Cozy was what they called it. So I hope you enjoyed it, like I said, and enjoy your loom knitting. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.